Well, I'm fucking gutted, but it is what it is. Because Honey can still win. So, I'm happy. I guess. I don't know. Anywho. Boot, scoot, and buggy, green flag. And Honey got fucked. Okay, Ekis, let's go. Oh, and they're wrecking. 98's around. Oh, this is gonna be a... Oh, they mostly saved it. Okay.
Looks like the 18 truck had right front tire down, possibly into turn one. He went straight as soon as they got to that corner.
Oh, that was gonna be huge. Oh, come on. Stewie's in it.
And that actually could have been a lot worse. I thought they were going to pile up.
Yeah, I thought they were too.
Where they had 8 or 10 trucks in that wreck, but they did a great job being able to only wreck a couple of trucks right there.
Tyler Aker, the whole left side's torn off of that one.
Yeah, it was Corey hitting for.
A lot of damage there. Not many of them spun out, but a lot.
Dude, you're fine. Got a little fucking dent in the back. You're chilling.
25 of Corey LaJoy. Got some right side damage.
The 18 got fucking pancaked. I hate that for Stewie because he was right next to his other truck in the 62 Christopher Bell, who's really quick this race. And yeah, into the wall, catches Stewie. The 98 ends up spinning around. Well, I thought the 19 was going to go right into the whole field there.
Gosh, there's not much you can do there. I mean, for all these trucks behind him.
Right here, I thought the 52 was going around. 98's also going around. I thought the 19 was going around.
Yeah, and he tried to slow up when he felt the tire.
And that could have been a huge wreck. Luckily, only involved Jake Garcia.
Stacked him up a little bit, but
well,
we tore up some trucks.
The only one that didn't keep going straight was Jake Garcia. Other trucks obviously caught up in it, like obviously the 18. But
I think we got an onboard here from Justin Haley.
Woo! Hey, you wrote it down pretty good.
Austin?
All right, guys, I'm here with crew chief.
I don't care.